Dumedisa mamamedi lapeng mano ka mo besetse re kena tabeng tsa rona tsa tsatsi lena la kajeno Khotma.
Okay, ngicela ukubulelisa kuba bonke abalaleli beThetha FM. Igama lami nguNati NATI Mthembu ila ongithola khona kuwo wonke ama social networks. Thank you.
Tsaras. Abuti musician acting.
Yes,
Ke
yes,
kopa
my brother.
ke batla re tale mona. O holetse ka mane ka o hlahella KZN.
Yeah.
Right? Ke kopa go re jetse man the background. When the background and the falling in love with acting and music at the same time. Can you just give us a layout of your background and then give us also when the music started and acting started?
Okay, my brother, ngizokuchaza la. Ngiqale ngumntwana vele okhulele esontweni.
Okay.
So I was leading Sunday school esontweni.
Oh, Sunday school.
And it's where I discovered ukuthi I'm able to compose amaculo.
All right.
And then from there, my start when it comes to music, it started when I was having this vision ukuthi ngibe nezwi lokudlulisa umyalezo kubantu. It wasn't about fame at the, when I started.
Okay.
It was about passing a message kubantu, because I did understood ukuthi abantu sometimes bayanqena ukufunda, so it's better to change ukufunda kube music ngoba yinto abayithanda kakhulu.
Okay. So now from Sunday school.
Yes.
Ulida kereke mane ya bacha.
Yeah.
Now re kena acting.
No, you know, for me, I think acting no music ihambisana.
Okay.
Because angithi uma wenza umculo udlulisa message and kumele wazi ukuthi i-target market yakho, audience yakho ihlukene. Khona abantu abakwazi ukubuka, abangakwazi ukulalela. So, laba abantu abakwazi ukubona bengakwazi ukuzwa kumele ubakhombise ngok-actor ukuthi kahle kahle uchaza ukuthini ngengoma yakho.
I remember mfela acting monana ke o so hlahella televisioning ho SABC. Se re tswa bona SABC. Ke inele show ifenyo.
Yeah.
Bona SABC.
Yeah, ngikumalanga wafani kwa SABC. So I'm just a feature cast there.
Okay.
I started ngiqale kwiThonga.
IThonga.
Ngiqale kwiThonga where abangibulala khona. Ngibulawa uzama lapha.
Oh, wabula ugantilwe.
Okay, I'm a ghost nje.
Yes, re bua le dipuku mo mabedi. Hey,
my brother, thank you.
So, ke batla go jwetsa, tell us about the journey now on screen.
Yeah, I did amanye khona la ngidlala khona we got our own YouTube movie, and ngabanga ukuthi it's close to 2 million viewers now.
What?
Because it talks about ukuthwala.
Ukuthwala.
So lapho mina I'm a sangoma.
Oh, we sangoma.
I'm the one othwalisa abantu.
Cool.
Kuthwala kimi la bafuni mali lawo.
Yeah.
Uzala kimi.
Bona sifahlo senana lo uzalo re la ga sibona.
Uzalo. Dala yeah. Ngiba khona kancane kuzalo.
Hey.
Ngale ngathi kukhona uGaddafi ezo a blesser, and I was playing as a blesser lapha blessing God.
Blessing God. Yeah, no. No, Kibata, today to make sure that we applaud your work.
Yes,
we see what you are doing.
Okay.
Off screen and on screen.
Thank you, my brother.
On the mic and off the mic.
Thank you.
Because you are not only a musician and a singer, you are a community leader. You also have something on the pipeline that it will be okay. Are you okay with it?
Yeah, can.
You're okay with it?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right, sharp, skip sack. Mamedi shaba supa nako Mechomi e mashome bedi motsotso re furalletse hore nana ya borobedi mokgahlelo ko qetela wa the breakfast punch skim sack tse ke buisana fela la buti mona re tlo qoqa tla ke khutla fela mona na o mabenkele ke tlo tshwara pina hae o ko utlwe fela hore ke o batla re banke ka pina FM poto mtala ku ngoma lezo ngisendele zona ufuna sibadlala
asiqale ngalethi nguwe wedwa
nguwe yeah
nguwe wedwa
okay kuwena o le mo right
yeah, only you
gravelo sa tlanyane la nyane ka sezulu ntla mfumana ke le teng ola
Momamedi hlokomela hore maikutlo le mmono o hlaelang mona ha o amane le letho le Theta FM ka ho Theta FM e keke ya jara
Nyabona mo vela la
maikarabelo
kuta ukijini uzobona.
When it comes to honoring a loved one's life, Bigedron Funeral Directors are here for you. We provide dignified funeral services, including tombstone policies, cash funerals, funeral policies, car and grocery policies, and specialized covers for casket and mini domes. With policies starting at just 195 and a joining fee of 200 Rand, you'll find affordable and respectful options with us. Plus, enjoy a 6-month trial on all policies. For more information, call us on 083-788-1620 or 079-184-0017. Our landline is 016-110-0330 or visit our head office at Zone 10 Industrial Park, Sebokeng. We're open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Bigedron Funeral Services. We care in times of sorrow.
Avocado City from Gilligas is a must-have household 100% natural herbs bottle. It lowers high blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, manages diabetes, protects kidneys, fight cancer, and gives you a healthy skin. Get your bottle now at Tuxedo Pharmacy in Vereeniging, Mandela Square Pharmacy, Sebokeng Plaza Pharmacy, Medilink Pharmacy in Vanderbilt Park, Litseng Mall, Ibubezi 777 Herbalist at Ayatu Mall, and Mamba Herbal Shop at Valgate. For your orders, call Bitumelo on 069-108-6049. Lele in Sasolbek on 081-584-9044. Tandy on 069-773-2082. And Mrs. Lamini on 073-435-3178. Come on down today. We do have stock price to help you set up your own business. Drink avocado seed tea and you will see that you will.
Looking to upgrade your skills? Grow your business? Fix your tech? Or plan the perfect event? Then a Yeti Business Group has
Meaning,
you covered.
and he said, you
And
know,
Yeti National Computer College, we offer accredited
there's something more
media courses,
subscribing
including radio and television production,
so banka
business
65
courses,
rand
and
each
agriculture
and every
courses. Choose
month.
from short
So no, I
courses
can't like
or
one.
qualifications
Oh,
and start building your future today.
65 rand
Need
gone.
printing or
In
marketing?
Silega 12
Our
rand.
printing and marketing agency brings everything printable, from
In
flyers
Silega
and
12
banners
rand.
to
Ah,
business
guys,
cards
you.
and more. Got a broken device? Visit a Yeti Tech Shop. We fix all electronics and sell gadgets, computers,
What's
and
up? What's up? It's up.
068 164 0655.
No, she.
ulethe ngibona ukuthi ngizobaletha kakhulu
Better sharp on chief. No, I can't. I can't. I can't. Skis.